Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be completing a prompt in this 365 Days of Art book using the mystery supplies in this Scrawlrbox. I managed to pick up a few of these boxes in the sale they had last month. Unfortunately, it's over now, but I'll post in the community if I see another one come up again. So let's get inside and see what we've got. This box is from December 2022. This box cost £5. I did do a video on the first box that I picked up for £5, so I'll link that in description if it's something that you're interested in looking at. I did a similar thing where I did a piece of art in the 365 Days of Art book. Okay, so these are supplies that we have. Just a Staedtler HB pencil. We have a chisel tip Unipin fine line water and fade proof pen. 4 acrylic markers. I'll save those for later. These are Edding permanent acrylic markers, 2 to 3mm nibs. It can be used on canvas and paper. It's an acrylic permanent marker, quick drying and water based. Just to let you know who the artist was that created this piece that collaborated with Scrawlrbox, Mr. Phil. There he is. Quite a few different techniques that I could be using on this page that I'll do in the book. So I think the next step I'm going to do is have a flip through the book, but I'm just going to let it land on a random page and go from there and see if it's something that I can use as a prompt. Okay, so let's have a flip through this. I'm not looking. I've done quite a few pages in this book, and I'll link the videos if you're interested in seeing what I've done so far in the description. I'm going to flip from here, see if it lands on a page that I can do a prompt. Create your own colour wheel. No. Use each square to experiment with pattern and mark making. I could do that, but that's not really a piece of art. And I need it to be a blank page because I'm using the A5 card that came with the book. So let's give it another go. Visit a park or garden and observe the people interacting with the plants. Try drawing or painting quickly and loosely so you don't worry too much about accuracy. Use the grid to design a pattern. I could use our grid to design the pattern. Think that's the one. Okay, so I have taken a piece of A5 card out of the little pad they gave you in the Scrawlrbox and put a little grid down to try and match the one that was in the book. So yeah, really, this is going to be one that evolves. I wanted to do the lines in blue just to try and match what was in the book. And from there, I'm not really sure. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, so that's the grid. It's a little bit wobbly, but pretty sure it is in the book. I'm going to use a pattern that I made in the book a little bit earlier on. This, see it? And now it's just a case of filling everything in and using some of those techniques. I do want this to be a bit sort of uneven, a little bit messy. Okay, I think that's everything. I think that's done. Let me know if you have tried Scrawlrbox and what you thought of it. Are there any subscription boxes that you'd recommend for art supplies that I should try? Please let me know in the comments. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I think the colours go really well together, and I tried to get as many of the techniques in as I could with the washes and the mark baking as well. Let me know if you enjoyed the video by pressing the like button, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.